Hai, Assalamualaikum and good morning class. Okay, so today we will do an outside activity. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is syaza binti Radzee. You can call me teacher Syaza. So, we will do a nature walk activity. So guys, let's make a queue outside the classroom. Okay, put on your shoes. Okay, let's go. So today we will do a nature walk activity with Kabi. Yay, good boy. Okay, Kabi, let's go for the nature walk. Are you ready?
Okay.
Good boy. Show me the yellow flower.
Yellow flower.
Good boy. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Rabbit.
So, from the nature walk, what you see?
Rabbit.
Where's frog? Where's frog? Show me a frog.
Frog.
No frog.
Frog.
Color is this?
Flower.
Green leaves. Brown. It's very hot, right? Okay, let's go. Take another one. Take another one. Another one there. Good boy, thank you. More leaves. I need more leaves.
Yes.
One,
1, 2,
2, 3.
3.
Good boy. 2 leaves and 1 flowers.
Okay.
Yay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. 5. You got 5 leaves. Thank you, Kabib. Welcome, good boy. So here there's a fallen leaves that are big. Okay, now we can do the activity. Okay, the things we need to use watercolor, paper plate, and the drawing block. This is what color? Yellow. Don't touch. This is what color? Blue.
Oh.
You like blue?
Oh.
Wow, it's a pretty blue.
Aki boy. Let me give you Aki.
Green.
Yellow.
What color do you want?
Green. Apa ni red color?
Having a red color. Okay, you want a red color. Okay, so this is the red color.
Apa ni black color?
Okay, it's done. The 4 color here.
Apa ni?
So, take the leaves.
Ni red.
Okay, hold the leaves. And oh no, it's in the paper.
Oh. Okay.
The yellow one, don't touch.
Yellow pepper.
Yellow.
Pineapple.
Okay, here's the blue one. Wait, slowly.
Red color.
No, it's a red color.
Press
it. Wow, good boy. Good boy, Kabi.
Mana flower?
Mana flowers? Where's the flowers? Here the flowers. So, huh?
Yay.
Oh, so this is the big one leaves. So we have to mix the color. Wow, it's so pretty. 3 and 4 colors. Here, paste it in the paper. Good boy, Kabibs. So Aina, mana lagi? Mana Kabit punya leaves? Pick the leaves. Pick the leaves there. Go and pick the leaves. Okay. Give teacher the leaves. Good boy. So this is the first one that we did. Yeah. This is the second one that Kabit did. Right? We can pull out the leaves. Good, Kabit. K H A B I B. Kabit. Good boy. Yay! Clap your hands. Today we learn about nature walk. Yay! Good boy. Clap your hand. Yay! Thank you. Say thank you. Bye. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye. Mwah. Okay.